It's Thursday. Kevin has an eventful week this week. So
yeah, definitely.
Be some cool stuff to talk about on video today. What kind of eyes?
Got the blue swirls in
crazy
today.
eyes right there, boy.
Yeah.
Well, I noticed something cool right here before I even got on the truck today. The whole
That is
kit
the last one too.
with metric sockets. How about that, boys? So you can get the whole set of 3/8 metric 6 points.
Impact.
There you go. That's cool. So Kevin was telling me when I first walked on the truck today, he was supposed to be on the rock and roll toolbox truck.
His truck is derating. I'm hoping he makes it home safely. That was like, instead of trying to be on the road again for another show day, which we would have been in this area today, but I think he had like 1 hour left on derating. I guess that shuts down a diesel to like 5 miles an hour or something.
And the crazy part is, he was taking it to the Kenworth dealer this morning to see if they could force a regen, because he hasn't been able to get the truck to regen on its own. And the absurd thing to me is, I asked Kevin, I was like, why don't he hook a snap-on scanner to it and force the regen?
And he has one, he just didn't have it like on the truck with him, which I have one that I use for this truck, and he was going to bring it to Kenworth, because I guess Monday and Tuesday he was with another franchisee in like Tupelo, Shannon area.
Yeah.
So when they stopped at Kenworth, so those guys are they're already sort of privy to what was going on, which I think they were saying like the EGR, something like that, is probably what's clogged up on it. So hopefully forcing a regen will get him 4 hours home in Alabama. But I told him, instead of us trying to run a route today and see some people today, we just reschedule the day for me, get them warmed up a little bit on this area, and
but
hopefully
unfortunately,
be able to show y'all what goes on the tool truck.
But unfortunately for you guys, the guy that's running the snap-on rock and roll truck didn't want to be on video, so you wouldn't have seen it anyway, unfortunately.
Well, I will work on that.
Because I know the last time the guy
worried about
it was a really good video. Like, a lot of people liked it, but whatever.
Yeah.
Hey, no skin off my teeth.
Give him a little bit of warm-up time. And he should be all right.
Well, what new, cool, exciting, awesome, can't find nowhere else snap-on tools have we got today?
Well, not find nowhere else, but hard to keep on the truck would be the quarter-inch.
Quarter-inch impact.
Yeah.
Good color choice.
Then I'm running promos on the 6-piece set. Buy the 6-piece set, and you do get the magnetic holder.
Oh.
I do sort of have it demoed right down
That's
there.
pretty nice. Looks good. A little screwdriver action going on. There's a close-up of what the magnetic rack looks like. It's pretty cool.
I was able to restock.
Somebody was asking for the part number on that too the other day.
I sort of remember.
I don't know, is that the part number?
Part number's that one.
Here we go. So there you go.
I've been waiting a minute for these two to come in though. I did get 2 of them on the truck. But yes, they have been popular. Of course, I did display the chisel sets for the digital clock. I think is how everybody's running it.
So you buy all the chisels.
Well, one of the chisel sets. I think we have a 15-piece, got the 21-piece, and maybe a 10-piece set.
And then you get the free old school brick digital clock radio with it. That's pretty cool.
And then I did open that up so people could see that. I did just have it in the box. It's sort of hard to sell something when people can't actually look at it and put hands on it. I've had a lot of people touching it, putting hands on it today.
So it's a manual impact driver with a set of extensions?
Yes. Well, it's an extension set. They did throw in that. That's probably my favorite one in the set. I'd never seen an extension with the wobble on it.
Yeah.
Like, of course, that one is... Which that one I do. The, 'Cause that one I do. Higher this hard. That's another hard one to hold on to also. did get in a whole bunch of 3/8. I think I had the 3/8 last time I was on the truck in the different colors. And 18-volt 3/8 also.
Right. Pretty cool colors in them too.
Yeah, this year it's been the dark titanium or gunmetal green, and then the midnight blue. Should start getting in a bunch of other stuff. I think I do have some of the 16-piece sets of screwdrivers, but they're in the foam.
Right.
We used to do a 12-piece set apparently, but this set in the foam will be just as big, like in the foam. Like I guess the plastic takes up, I guess where you see the wasted space.
Right.
16-piece set will be the same size, but you get all 16. I think you get the screwdrivers, the mini, the stubby.
Wow. That's pretty cool. I mean, have them all in one little kit there.
Yeah. So that'll probably be promotion. Like I'll try and trade people out of their smaller sets, put them in the bigger sets in the foam.
Sure. Well,
Not sure what else.
oil filter sockets. Those are nice. A really good set right there. Uh-oh. He said, ooh.
Well,
so that means it's something good.
Well, I say something good, but it's just another one of those things.
Oh,
like,
yeah. Tekken. So it's a tire wrench support stand. Pretty cool there.
something that I usually use my like roll around seat.
Sure.
Like that. That's what I would brace with.
So if you guys are wondering what that sound is, he's got the fan on back here. Because in Mississippi, you wake up and need a jacket at 5 a.m., the air conditioner by 9 a.m., and an air conditioner and a fan by noon.
So I left out of my house this morning and saw a rainbow. Like they're talking about storms.
Yeah.
And all that. Turned out of the driveway. If it would have been easier to turn this monster around in the road, I probably would have turned around and got my little girl up and drug her outside at 7:30 this morning to see the rainbow. She's real big on rainbows, so.
Cool. Well, there's supposed to be some tornadoes coming the way they're talking.
That is, trying to see what else.
It's always fun in Mississippi. You never know what you're going to get within a couple of hours. So,
yeah.
You don't like the weather, wait an hour, it'll be different.
Yeah, it'll change for sure. Yeah, I am not sure. I get so much stuff that moves around.
Well, you sold the mag rails, ain't you? Ain't that the little short ones left hardly.
Yeah. And I'm doing a lot of the impact. The impact grade stuff is went real well. Not too many other cans. Those are sort of hit and miss. The mag rails, it's just something you try and push.
Sure. They're great, man. I don't know why Snap-on just don't brand them and be done with it.
And we do it through our supplemental also.
Yeah, exactly.
I didn't, I found that out the other day.
You would think the best tool company would want the best magnets.
Usually they like to buy the companies that are the best.
I guess if their pockets are deep enough, they could. You know?
That's usually, that was sort of a going thing. I can't remember if it was in training though, when they were telling us, because a lot of companies like Snap-on has taken over a lot of companies, and that was a thing in training. They're like, if Snap-on finds a company that does it better, they buy the company. That would be something that I do sell a bunch of them.
You like those better than the twist type?
I've never used these. Like the guys that have been buying these is like when the spark plug breaks off in the cylinder, that's what they like these better than those.
Oh, the spiral kind?
Yes. That is,
I bought that spark plug
those.
Extractor set, I think.
So I need one of those on the truck
or
also.
Something. They're really good.
I got that number. I'm going to get that
because that's a pain in the ass when that damn ceramic breaks loose from that plug.
Oh yeah, makes it impossible.
It turns a quick job into if you didn't cuss before you started, you will when it's done with. Striking scrapers, handy.
Those have been huge. Like that's probably the 5th or 6th set that I've had on the truck now.
Right.
It apparently is very good with the tractor folks. Any of my big technicians.
Yeah.
Anybody that's got
Separating
a
the oil
break,
pan.
yeah, the cases. I guess they use
Yeah.
like a thicker silicone, or
Front
it's not
cover
even a
seals,
silicone.
all
It's
that
like
stuff. Yeah.
almost like windshield
Mhm.
glue or something.
Like
is what
butyl
they
or something.
Yeah,
It's crazy.
and they love them though. Like usually one guy in the shop will buy them, just like, yeah, I'll try them out, and then the other guys,
Then everybody gets them.
Yeah,
Yeah.
is
That's the way
I
it
was out
always
for a little
happens.
bit and stuff like that. At least keep one on the truck just in case.
There you go. Well, some cool stuff on here. I got a couple things I want to talk to you about and pick up before I get gone. But all right, guys. Well, that's the video today. Hopefully y'all like it. If you do, be sure to hit that thumbs up. It don't cost you nothing. It's free and it helps the videos out. Well, here's merchandise, cool tools, and discount codes down here. If you're not subscribed, take your finger, click that button. You guys have a great week. See ya.